Yes, good morning, viewers. Let me take a chance to introduce today's session from Sahil Ahuja. Sahil Ahuja is a former employee of the Merchant Navy. He is also a theatre practitioner and has worked in both theatres and films as an assistant director. Sahil runs a theatre company called InSong Theatre Garage in Jaipur. Through this grant, Sahil explored the lives of teachers during the COVID-19 pandemic when they are compelled to teach through online platforms. Sahil also wishes to document this shift in the ecosystem of a teacher and its various implications on education and lives of teachers. Welcome, Sahil. I'll hand over this session to you to begin how this idea came into your mind, how it is triggered, and what are the challenges you faced during the process. Thank you. Sorry.
Uh, I think I'll start with this this entire interview starts with the same line that can you hear me? Like, is it audible? And this is like how the next there was this discovery of hello, and now there's this discovery of can you hear me? So I think so is it okay that if I share one video of like the first initial 3 minutes of the film, and then we can probably share about how the idea came.
Please go on.
Yeah.
विकल्प वीडियो ऑन करो। राधिका अपना वीडियो ऑन करिए। शौर्य वीडियो ऑन करो। मैं ऐसे बात ही नहीं करूंगी बिना वीडियो के। प्रियांशी, अवंता, शौर्य, हाँ वेरी गुड। प्रियांशी, प्रखर 1 मिनट प्लीज। प्रखर रुक जाओ। प्रखर रुक जाओ। बसंत ऋतु पर निबंध लिखना है 3 पेज का। आपको उसका पीडीएफ बनाकर हमको व्हाट्सएप करना है जो टीचर आपको पढ़ाती है।
The first time I was introduced to the internet was at the very early stages back in the 80s. One of my colleagues did an internet class and my reaction was, why would I ever want that? When would I ever use that?
उन्होंने उनको भेज भी दिए और वो सुबह दरवाजे पे आकर खड़े हो गए नागार्जुन के। तो नागार्जुन ने उनको चेक करियो कहाँ से
आप चेक करो ना।
कैसे करती हूँ? यहाँ सर्च पे जाऊँ। सर्च मेल के बाद किस में जाऊँ? सेंट में। सेंट में ही तो जाऊँगी, इसमें ही तो देखूंगी।
So when we started doing virtual after school, and to be blunt, it was a failure, and it wasn't what our students and families needed.
ऐसे ही लिखना है। तो ये मैंने किस पे लिखा है?
आपको पता होगा ना, याद होगा?
नहीं याद आ रहा ना मेरे को। कोई मनुष्य किसी असहाय इंसान कोई काम नहीं करता है या काम नहीं आता है तो हमारी इंसानियत किसी काम की नहीं है। यही तो मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आता। जामे कुटुम समाए मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं, साधु न भूखा जाए, कबीरा साधु न भूखा जाए। इसमें कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि कई पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों से झूठ कहते हैं। मैं उनको कह दूं कि मैं ये काम नहीं कर पाया, मैं दादी के पास जा रहा हूं। मैंने कई बार उनको वहीं देखा है। कितनी बार झूठ बोलते हो? एक बार झूठ बोलोगे, दूसरी बार हमारी नजरों से गिरता है। तो बच्चों झूठ का सहारा मत लो, सच की हमेशा जीत होती है, सत्य का सहारा लो।
I know many of those teachers they're terribly overworked right now. They're terribly overworked. They're terribly stressed out of their minds with this virtual, Zoom conversations with children that they can't see. It is mind-boggling.
बस ठीक है
राइट का
फिर।
निशान कर दूं, ये हो जाएगी। व्हाट्सएप पे कर देती हूँ मैं, अभी बहुत सारा है मेरे को करना पड़ेगा उस पे।
Yes, of course, the pandemic has
ये आ गया।
thoroughly damaged the existing education system. The only point I'm trying to make is that the existing education system needed to be damaged, and COVID did that job very quickly and very efficiently.
ग्रुप 3, ग्रुप 4, ग्रुप 1।
ये इतना बड़ा कर्सर क्यों है आपका?
मुझे दिक्कत आती है, छोटा इधर उधर चला जाता है।
हाँ
सेव होना चाहिए, डन क्या?
हो गया ना, फिनिश हो गया ना।
ओनली मी एक बार करके ना सेव आता है।
सेव नहीं आता है, वो हो गया है।
अरे तू बोलेगा ना ऐसे 1 2 3 ऐसे करता है तू तो।
हाँ हाँ मैं वो करूँगा ना, 1 2 3 करूँगा।
तो करेगा तो मैं भी शुरू हो जाऊंगी। सुप्रभात बच्चों।
अरे तो अभी नहीं किया ना मैंने।
अभी नहीं किया तो वैसे ही चल रही हूँ।
ओके
हम एक नया पाठ पढ़ेंगे जिसका नाम है परख।
ठीक है।
हाँ।
ओके 1 2 3।
Yes, it's really very interesting. Please go ahead.
So yeah, so yeah, this was the initial 3 minutes of the film, and this is what um, so I think it was more in terms of like how I was watching the entire my mother going through through the process of learning. And like so the point was that uh, in the profession that she's been teaching for 25 years, the profession is to how to learn, like how to make others learn. And the process, the first time it came down to how she should be learning. And like initially I just had this one thought that I'll make a short documentary on just like the snippets of how my mother is reacting, how my mother is reacting to the keyboard, how my mother is reacting to the internet. So I still remember that before this my mother just out of privilege, that she was not using her ATM card, she was not using her debit card for for swiping. And like with this, the first thing that she did was like how to start everything. Like even with the starting of the laptop, my desktop that has been sitting there for like 12 years, and like she doesn't know how to operate that. But initially I was feeling like that, like it is very tough for the people who are like some older people, especially the 55-year to 60-year-old who are in the last leg of their employment. And they've been like they're told to start everything afresh. And the amount of like I also one of the sessions that my mother used to attend, and there was this small group that I was one day I was just sitting there, and when she was having this conversation with the other teachers, and in one of the windows the other teacher said that मैं मेरे को ना बिल्कुल ही नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, मेरे को ना ऐसा लग रहा है कि सुसाइड कर लूं. So that day I realized that how tough it is for them, even more than uh, living. They feel like that this is tougher. And I was like I felt that this should be a part of it. And so again when this like I came to know about this grant, and um, I really wanted to, maybe I'll just send you. I thought that I'll send you a proposal, and it was, to be very honest, this is the first grant that I have ever received. I mean, and initially I thought कि okay ठीक है मैं भेज देता हूँ, ऐसा कुछ होगा तो नहीं मेरे साथ, but then it came as a surprise, a very pleasant surprise. So so yeah, initially I thought that I'll just with the grant coming, I'll just start with my mother's life, and that's it. But then as a creator, you understand that uh, you're not just dealing with one thing. And then slowly things started opening up for me. Very honestly, like my mother was facing the salary cuts issue. Mother was facing. My mother was actually doing 14 hours, 15 hours of work, which earlier she was just doing for like good 7 hours, the school time. That's it. And most interesting thing was that how the entire dynamics changed. Like uh, with the parents, with the teachers. I still remember there was this one conversation that she was going through, and she was very confused what to do. So she called someone, she called a parent, saying that, please tell your child to submit the homework. It is very important. It has been 1.5 months that I've given this homework. Please tell your child to submit it as soon as possible. And the parent is saying that, the child is not living with me. The child is living uh, with with his mother. So if you get to talk to the mother, please do let her know that you can come to the house. So they were going through some really family issues, and my mother was like, "Who am I? Like, who am I to go into that into those matters?" So like I was like, simple things are happening, very simple things are happening, and it is creating again, like how they say, like it was mind boggling. And then after that, uh, I was meeting teachers. I met this teacher who so so like she was living very close by, and she was operating the entire Zoom classes on her phone. It was not something that she was doing it by choice. Like the पूरी class उन्होंने Zoom पे कर रखी है, and she was doing it on 3G. First thing, she didn't know what is 3G 4G. She didn't know कि I have two double SIM phone. I don't know if you click this, then I don't know what will happen. So the teacher, apparently she told me, no, she'll not be come. She is not comfortable coming for this documentary. And like she was actually she got fired down by the school because she was not able to operate, and she's a 62-year-old teacher. And she was said that, it is okay, you can take rest, and she's the only earning member of the family. And like these things started happening to me, and then it started changing me from within. Uh, and I came to this conclusion that my mind is just saying that, it is just this one way, but it is opening up a lot of ways that we really need to think upon. And the first thing came, like, how to start researching on this, because this is something that has not been shared. Like, it is happening right now and nobody is writing paper on it. And uh, of course, then 15 million schools, 94 lakhs teacher, like everyone in the family, everyone you meet knows a teacher, something or the other. That is how. And they come up with this, that you should listen to this side of the story. It is like, उनकी स्टोरी सुनो, उनकी स्टोरी में ऐसा है, उनकी स्टोरी है. So there were actually 94 lakh stories happening in the country right now. And I was like, how to even collect everything and put it into under one umbrella. And then immediately I thought of that, then what if I'll see that, what if it's not just like, let's not limit this problem to a geographical geographical area, that सिर्फ इंडिया में या बहुत ही ऐसे डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज में ही ये प्रॉब्लम होगी. Like, and then I met this like my friend who is learning Chinese medicine and acupuncture, and and then the white and this this teacher from States, she teaches acupuncture, and she says that, you know, it's not the question of internet here, it's the question of how I should be absorbing this. Like my whole career has been that, you know, 20 years I've never ever taught anything on internet. So it was like the problem eventually, it was going just in a linear way again, and it opened up many branches.
Yes, साहिल, ये अभी बहुत अखबार में आ रहे हैं, बेटी तुम्हारा क्लासरूम मेरा बेडरूम में भी आ गया, और मेरा आपका क्लासरूम मेरा किचन भी आ गए हैं. So I'm the data usage is 94 lakhs online classes a day. It's really amazing. Or maybe a very stressful system for the teachers.
Mm.
Will online learning replace traditional schools in the post-pandemic world? Do you think in that way?
Well, this was one of the questions that I actually had with there's this educator named Mr. Sugata Mitra, who's been teaching for like I think 27 years, and he had this fantastic experiment that he did in way back in 99, which is called the hole in the wall. And like I asked him this question, and I said that, you know, are we looking at teachers, like if like right now you can see, you can ask, like you can ask Alexa, or you know, you can ask so many AIs to, you know, just tell everything, just tell you everything. So I asked him that, you know, do you think we need teachers? It's a redundant position, or this is going to be an obsolete career in the future. And he said that, you know, the whole question of like, why do you want to teach? What is this urge to teach? And the point is that he said that children are actually started asking this, that why do you need to why should I learn to read when Google can read for me? Why should I learn to write when I can say, and like, why should I learn anything when Google has all the answers? So like then he said that we need people to start asking questions. So there's never, and absolutely, he said that there's no way that the online education is going, like we had this method and now it is okay, and now we'll go back to the offline system. No, not at all. They said, like he said, it is actually here to stay, and it is better that it stays. Otherwise, you'll go back to the old system, the style of military regime style, where where you have 45 minutes and, like, 45 minutes of lecture, 650 students, and then you're producing clerks and everything. But with this, with online, use internet in your classes, not to teach actually, but the point is that internet should be uh, another teacher present in the classroom. So yeah.
So that's chalk to talk, chalk and talk. That's the system of it. So with this digital divide, who benefits and who doesn't? In between, when while doing your documentary on this online classes.
Hmm. Uh, Honestly, I started off with this same intention that, I had this doubt in my head that it is not going to benefit at all, not to the students, not to the teachers, not to the parents. So who is actually getting benefit from this? Who's actually getting this kind of advantage over all of this? So, but then I realized that the whole system, which is run under the problem of the school organizations, and they were saying that uh, up fees bharo, and then you're cutting down the salaries. So I think it was just for the benefit of the school organizers at that moment of time. But now I think, uh, again, it goes back to the previous question. If uh, this is here to stay, the one who's going to survive is the one who's going to adapt at like the best. If no, it is going to eat you up. Like it is absolutely going to eat you up. Students like, honestly, while researching this, I saw this, that there was there started ads coming on in, like, in the Hindi newspapers, ads coming out like 500 रुपए में अपना वीडियो ले जाएं सब्जेक्ट का, 500 रुपए में वीडियो का सब्जेक्ट ले जाएं.
Yeah, last one question to you. Ma'am, आपकी आवाज ना आ रही है. So how long you keep for the viewers, because this documentary want to see from others. How long do you want to keep online now?
So that's actually a very good question. So the thing is that I was discussing this with my editor, that probably I should let's just showcase it for another 1 month, and then let's just think about it, and then let's look for more perspectives. The problem is that the more I'll get into this subject, the older it starts getting. So, like, apparently, which happens, like, most of the teachers who were going through the trauma had already started drying up from inside. वो जो पेन उनको, जो ट्रॉमा उनको हुआ, वो खत्म हो गया. वो मतलब ऐसा है कि हाँ, अब तो सब नॉर्मल है, अब तो सब सही चल रहा है, ऐसा है. बट वो ऐसा है कि वो जितना और हम लोग इसको और बढ़ाते जाएंगे, like people start to will start absorbing into the entire system. I don't know, like probably I'll like, so the second there's another phase of shooting which is going to happen in March, where I'll be also including the parents. I'm going to include a counselor and a psychologist and children. Like, so I can probably have this entire view of like bird eye view, and like, let's not just go through the teachers. Let's really expand it.
So thank you, Sahil. I request viewers to go on, watch his film online and come back with your comments, and definitely Sahil will address or try to address your questions. Thank you. Thank you, Sahil.
Thank you so much.